but nobody buys it when we walk in. They say there ain't no way that she's with him. In a world where nothing is what it seems, ain't no one more surprised than me. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm just on a Morgan Wallen kick right now. So here's another Morgan Wallen song for you. This is No One's More Surprised Than Me. More Surprised Than Me by Morgan Wallen. Forgot the name of it. So this is a great song. I just love this. Like, there's like one or two songs on this album I don't like. I actually want you guys to let me know in the comments which of the Morgan song of the songs on this album, the double album, is your least favorite. I'm going to tell you the least favorite of mine is I Need a Boat. I am all about boats, but I hate that song. And I hate is a strong word, but not strong enough. Just kidding. I don't. It's not that. It's that I really don't like it, but it's just not me. There's just something about that song that just doesn't jive with me. And every other song in the album, I'm like, this is amazing, but I just don't love that song. So just let me know in the comments section which one you don't like, and also let me know which one's your favorite, if you want. Anyway. So please hit like and subscribe, and we'll go from there. So this song is not in standard tuning. You can play it in standard, but I think it's actually tuned a half step down. I'm just going to show you a super, super easy way to play it just with the chords, and I'm going to show you where the chords go and the strumming pattern and everything. Okay, so you're going to start with G. Okay, you can use this G or this G. It doesn't matter. All right, it's probably a little bit easier if you use this G because you can just go to C like that. All right, really easily. So you're going to do G. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's how you start it. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I bought a Harvard sweatshirt off the Goodwill rack. So you're gonna keep doing that through the verse. Make some people wonder if I'm smart like that. And that guitar, so guitar is where you do C. Guitar laying on the chairs, worn out like my boots. Then you do D. Makes is D. Makes it look like I can play it better than I do. Alright, then you're gonna mute after do. Do. But nobody, so nobody, you're gonna do E minor, okay, so you can see there, E minor. But nobody buys it. So you're just doing E minor, D, C, G. E minor, D, C, G. E minor, D, C, G. C, D, G. Okay, so for the chorus, you're going to do E minor on but nobody buys it. And you can do the same strumming pattern you're doing for the intro, or for the verses. You can do but down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so you're just gonna do that. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. So down, 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 up. Okay, so you can do that, and it'll sound great. So you can do, but you're gonna play, but nobody is E minor. Nobody buys is D, buys it when we see, we walk in is G, in. They say is E minor, say there ain't no is D, no way that she, okay, she is C, she's with him is G, in a world, okay, in a world is E minor, in a world where nothing is D, nothing is what is C, what it seems is G, seems, ain't no one, is C, no one more surprised is D, surprised than me. you just do G again, like you're doing the intro. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Now you know the whole song except for one part. So the bridge is you're gonna do C. Must have done something right. So right is G. Right. Something. So something is D. Something right. And then that right there is A minor. Right. In another life. So that life is D. Life. 'Cause nobody buys it when we walk in. So then you're gonna start over. So you're gonna play C for the bridge. C, G, D, A minor, D. And you'll really slow it down, A minor and D. Anyway, that's how you play the whole song. Super great song, super easy. You know, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.